Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am here now in Philippine accommodation. Then I thinking that I have no work. Then allow me to share our agreements between employer and employee. Here is the number one preamble. Whereas the domestic employer wishes to benefit from the service of the domestic worker according to the domestic worker's scientific and practical capabilities, and the sense that the domestic worker has necessary qualification to carry out the work specified herein. This contract has been concluded in accordance with the following provisions. Ano ang naintindihan ko dito ay the employer, ang employer nangandoy nga makabot ang ilang pag-suporta sa gikinahanglan sa mga kasambahay, sa mga kinakailangan sa mga kasambahay nga nagabase kung unsa ang ilang kapasidad sa pagtuman sa ilang mga pinaka-unod nga trabaho. Number 2, site of employment. In case of any change in the site of the employment, the Saudi Recruitment Office shall inform the same to the Embassy of the Philippines and the Recruitment Agency in the Philippines. Site of employment. Sa panahon daw nga ang domestic worker magbalhin sa saksak sinagol, Bisaya, Tagalog, English, Arabic, marami pang iba. Site of employment. In case of change on the site of employment, sa kuan daw, in case na maglipat ng lugar ang domestic worker, kailangan the Saudi Recruitment Official inform the same to the Embassy of the Philippines. Kailangan ang recruitment agency ay ipaalam sa Philippine Embassy. Yan ang ibig sabihin. Number 3, contract duration. The duration of contract shall be for 2 years effective from the date of departure. Contract duration must be 2 years. Ang kuan daw sa tagal ng pagtatrabaho ay 2 taon. Shall be effective from the date of departure. Example, ang flight ko ay October 29. October 29 is my starting of my salary. Because it's effective from the date of departure. This is my departure. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng contract duration of the domestic worker from the Philippines. The contract may be renewed upon the mutual agreement to the parties, and written verification shall be submitted to the concerned Migrant Workers Office, MWO. Philippine Embassy consult the domestic employer shall be present to the MWO proof of full payments of the wages of the domestic worker for the copy of the renewed ikama. Ito ang ibig sabihin ay kung matapos na ang 2 taon, kailangan i-renew na ng employer yung ikama. Kasi 2 years lang ang naging ikama sa isang katulong o kasambahay. Kung matapos na ang kuan, kailangan mag-uwi ka talaga. Kung gusto mo pa na magtrabaho, magkuanlaan ka ng oras para magbakasyon o dadaan ka talaga sa agency para masitol ang lahat ng mga papers mo. Number 4, duties and responsibilities. Dito na tayo sa duties and responsibilities. A. The domestic worker shall perform the duties and responsibilities as shown as Annex A of the contract. Ang kasambahay karapat-dapat na magtrabaho sa lahat ng kanyang mga dapat trabahuhin ang naaayon sa Annex A of the contract. Letter B. The domestic worker shall not be assigned to carry out any dangerous work. Ang kasambahay ay hindi dapat patrabahuhin sa mga delikadong trabaho that threatens her health, na makakasira sa kanyang kalusugan, the integrity of his body, or impair